It's time to start planning for Black History Month, y'all. And if you haven't selected your African American home decor yet, don't fret. In this video, we've got 10 Black History decor ideas that you and your kids will absolutely love. And at the end of this video, you'll find out how to take home one of Mom's favorite things.
And with that, let's get started.
All right, so we've got 10 top Black History Month decor secrets that you can implement quickly, inexpensively, and they'll make a big impact in your space. For a quick hit, change up your wall decor. For starters, let's meet Raquel. She really set the bar high with this diva that she snagged from Ross. Teresa, who also loves to showcase Black art in her home, found these gems at HomeGoods. It took more than a month for Z Gallery to send Andrea her art, but as you can see, it was well worth the wait. Right now, Z Gallery is running a sale, so if you dare, navigate over to that site and check it out. As a suggestion, you can head on over to Walmart for that $23 Ali poster, where the champ reminds us that you don't lose if you get knocked down, you lose if you stay down. Hang it as is or frame it. You can also purchase this God Says You Are print on Facebook for only $20. The link is in the description box. Decorate your door. You can find your door decor in any price range. For example, this Black History wreath, handmade by Crafts by Nikki J, is on Etsy for $98. Here's another one, offered on Facebook by Sistahs Door Decor for $85. Also on Facebook is this Black History Month door hanger for $25, offered by GBW Design and Decor. And if you and the kiddos are feeling really creative, you can make your own by ordering this Unity Wreath Craft Kit for only $14.99 on Oriental Trading. Add an area rug. Here we feature Lisa and her dining room radio. She really set off her African-inspired space with pieces from Ross and TJ Maxx, as well as an area rug from Overstock.com. RugsUSA.com has that 6x9 natural jute blend tasseled area rug for $211.30. Wayfair has options too. For example, they've got that Moroccan black ivory area rug for only $106.99. That's 78% off. Finally, head over to Target for their large selection of area rugs, or snag this bathroom rug along with other African-inspired items as part of their Jungalow collection. Hey sis, are you enjoying this content? Then subscribe, y'all. We need less than 30 folks to reach our next YouTube milestone, and that's going to enable us to continue showing sisters doing marvelous things. So I want to thank you in advance for clicking that link in this video. Post your signs. If you're hosting a Black History celebration, you can get these decorative balloons and banner for only $13.99 at Amazon. Also, check out the selection of Black History Month yard signs for only $17 at Party City. Accessorize your kitchen. I love accessories because they can be really small but make a big statement. Let's take a look at this online retailer, Redbubble. Their Love refrigerator magnet is super cool and it's only $10.53. Also, your daughter will just love this black, blessed, and beautiful magnet for $8.55. And then all wives must have this Black Wives Matter magnet for $7.90. If you prefer the Black Wives Matter paperweight, you can get that for $51.23. Northerners, why don't you stop on over to the Brownstone, owned by Princess Jenkins, and buy this teapot for one for $45. Or there's that Sistah salt and pepper shaker for $30. You can get those for yourself and or for gifts. Fly your flag. Last year, I introduced you to Flag Wicks as I was particularly impressed with their selection of reasonably priced combo heritage flags. Well, they did it again. Here is their Black History Month flag, and it makes a real statement. Also great for February is the African American flag, as well as their Black Lives Matter flag. Flag Wicks offers other related products too. This double-sided garden flag, which encourages your neighbors to celebrate Black history, comes in 3 sizes. The prices start at $24.95. You can also get an African American inspired metal sign. It comes in a variety of sizes as well and starts at $39.95. Showcase your purses. Instead of stuffing your purses or handbags in the closet, put them on display this Black History Month. Why? There are so many African American handbag entrepreneurs and their work is gorgeous. Some African American purses to buy include that Telfar vegan leather shopping bag, that black and white Weekender multi-purpose bag from Ubuntu Life, the Siriaco mini handbag, or the Size Protect Black People purse. Showcase 15 handbags with that Walmart metal display purse tree for $199. Or hold 18 purses with that bag rack on Amazon for only $11. It's designed to hide your handbags inside of your closet. But I say, show off those beauties and flip those handbags on the outside to boost your decor. Perk up your powder room. Shinyeeri's Powder Room Redo is a prime example of how an understated African American decor theme can still be attention-grabbing and sleek. Showcase your books. The benefits of showcasing books as part of your African American decor are threefold as you financially support Black authors, educate your guests, and beautify your home. Although there are a long list of Black books that make great decor pieces, a few books to add to your collection include My God is Awesome, authored by myself, Monique, McKenzie, and my daughter, Kyla McKenzie. The Art and History of Black Memorabilia, showcasing past and present prominent pieces. The Modern Day Black Alphabet by Arial Robinson. This children's photo book, which started out as a simple photo series during the pandemic, now makes a great addition to your African American home decor. Supreme Models, pays homage to top Black models past and present. AphroChic celebrates the Black family home, featuring executives, artists, actors, curators, and other owners of stunning homes. Comrade Sisters, photos and conversations with women of the Black Panther Party. And while you're shopping for tabletop books, don't forget our sister Tabitha Brown. Her 3 books, Feeding the Soul, Cooking from the Spirit, and Seen, Loved, and Heard, will definitely get your guests' attention and serve as great conversation starters. Create your Black History Month tree. Okay, family, you know what time it is. It's time to flip that Christmas tree into a Black History Month tree. Yes, here's Raquel again, and she's showing off her 2 Black History Month trees that she decorated with ornaments, ribbons, and cards. She got her decor from Walmart and Michaels. Perhaps you want to transform that Valentine's Day tree like Kimberly did. She used the cotton as a topper, along with African print for the ribbon and the pillow. The Black picture books are also a nice touch.
And now for our question of the day.
Where do you like to shop for your African American home decor? Put your response down in the comments, and if we select you, then you'll be receiving one of Mo's favorite things. This week, I've selected the Black History Month bingo game created by Love to Party on Etsy.
And here's your bonus tip. You don't have to buy your Black History Month decor. You can do it yourself. Michael sells these items as well as others that you can paint. Plus, our Mommy Room redo hacker, Fran, shows you how to create a custom Afrocentric picture frame. Make sure you enjoy your Black History decor. Share it with friends, neighbors, and co-workers, as Black history is American history.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.